Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting the basics aligned. Confirm both your iPhone and the receiver are on the same Wi-Fi network and turn off personal hotspot so connections aren't blocked. Make sure Bluetooth is on because it helps discovery. Once done, check that iOS and the TV or Apple TV firmware are up to date so compatibility issues are minimized. Outdated software is a common cause of failed mirroring. Now move to active connection steps. You'll actively connect now. Swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay, then pick the receiver name you want. If an AirPlay code appears on the TV, enter it on your iPhone to authenticate. That prevents accidental connections. If the receiver doesn't appear, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled and try toggling them or restarting the iPhone and receiver, because discovery often fails when one device's network stack is stuck. You're finishing up. Once connected, check display settings on the TV for aspect ratio or overscan so the iPhone screen fits correctly. This fixes cropped edges. If wireless mirroring remains unreliable, use a wired adapter, Lightning, or USB-C to HDMI to mirror without Wi-Fi dependency. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone to clear conflicting configurations, and then reconnect. That single troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn AirPlay discovery or authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.